The winter session of the Parliament is expected to be a stormy affair, with the opposition seeking a debate on FDI in retail and pressing for a vote on the matter as well. Commerce Minister Anand Sharma has made it clear that the policy was cast in stone and the government was confident of commanding a majority in the Parliament.
I'm sorry, we have taken this decision and other decisions in a considered manner, looking at the interest of the Indian farmer, the Indian consumer, the need of job creation. Now, you cannot expect a government in office to have vetting of its policy and endorsement of executive decisions either by the ideological opponents, some of whom have blinkers on, or those who have partisan agenda. I'm very clear on that. We have demonstrated it, Prime Minister and the chairperson of UPA subsequently. If that was the case, we would not have taken a firm position. This is a policy which is cast in stone.
So with this political warfare over FDI and multi-brand retail all hotting up, what's going to be government's stance? Now, Devdatta Das now joins us from the capital. Devdatta, take us through what's really happening. Anand Sharma looked pretty determined as far as FDI and retail has to go through.
You know, this time around it's a different government that we're looking at, a more confident government, a government that has done its homework, has had preparation time, has worked out its strategy. We've seen how the PM reached out to Mayawati, how he has had a word with a lot of other people to try and bring them on board before the Parliament session starts. And clearly the advantage is with the government right now, even in terms of number, in case a confidence motion is what TMC presses for and gets going within the House. Even though the left is now saying that, you know, a no confidence motion is of no use, it's a debate that should really work well as far as bringing out the pros and cons of FDI and retail are concerned. But at the same time, the government has its position fixed, and it says that one executive decision cannot be changed just because it is unacceptable to certain people in the opposition or even the whole opposition as such. They are going to press forward with their stance on FDI and retail. They want the policy to stay, and they are preparing a fact sheet which will point out every good thing about how FDI and retail will not only help the Kirana Walas but also the overall agricultural sector in the country. So the government is sticking to its stand, but the other opposition parties are yet undecided on whether they want to side with Mamta's no confidence motion stand, or they just want to go ahead with a debate for now.